with a funny step it on the belly. Baby Bubba. That is it. Fun.
Don't press on her belly, Dan. Don't press her belly.
That's how you put it on her face.
No, don't put pillows on her face.
Take a picture.
I'm doing your picture.
Let's see.
Now you can see Katie in there.
Oh, my picture.
You can't see yourself in here. What? Sitting up. Trying to sit up.
Yeah.
Be gentle with her. She got your nosy. She said, I'm gonna get you, Dan. Are you being cozy?
I'm ready with it. Hi, I need a pillow. Daddy pillow. I'm ready with it.
You are. You're a sweet brother. She's talking to you. I see your foot. It's dirty.
Today where my teeth fit.
Where's your dirty foot?
Yeah.
Still on your leg.
Oh. My foot. This foot.
Yeah, that one. Ew. Are you gonna roll over? Are you gonna roll, Mousy? Oh, come on. Roll over. Oh, it's so close. Let's lose the pillow.
This one,
Yeah, that one's kind of ewy.
Are
Are you gonna roll over, Mousy? Are you gonna roll over, precious? Hi, princess. Daniel's looking at his dirty old feet. Oh, look at that tongue. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Boom. Are you struggling? Struggling and wiggling? Daniel, read. That's gross. No.